Hi everyone! Welcome to Straight Out of Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I show you how to make SHIO KOJI NAMASU. Namasu is a daikon and carrot marinated in sweet vinegar. It's a part of osechiryouri, which is Japan's traditional New Year's cuisine. Today, I want to make the namasu using SHIO KOJI. Alright, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see the recipe at the end of this video. First, peel the daikon and slice very thinly before cutting into matchsticks and put in the bowl. Repeat for the carrot. Put teaspoon of SHIO KOJI in the bowl with daikon and the carrot. If you don't have SHIO KOJI, you can put 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well by hand and leave about 10 to 15 minutes to remove water from vegetables. While waiting, grill the agesan using a fry pan. Adding the grilled agesan gives the namasu a savory finish and makes it even tastier. My mom always added this grilled agesan for namasu, so I love this way. Cut kombu very thinly and put it in the bowl. Pour 150 ml of Japanese rice vinegar and add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, then mix well. This is optional. I've got a yuzu today, so I'm going to use this. Cut off about a quarter of the head of the yuzu. The bottom part is used as a bowl, so scrape out the contents with a spoon. The head part is also scraped off. Strain the scraped out contents and add it in the sweetened vinegar, then mix well. After 10 to 15 minutes, squeeze the water using your hands and put in the sweetened vinegar, then mix well. Now cut the grilled agesan. Cut it in half horizontally and then lengthwise into 1 cm pieces, then add into the bowl and mix lightly. Place in the fridge for minimum few hours. The longer you give, the more flavorful it will become. Prepare the yuzu peel for the topping. Peel the skin from the head part of the yuzu with a knife. Carefully scrape off the white inner skin of the peel as it is bitter. Then cut it into strips. This should be done just before serving the namasu. Okay, let's serve it up! A little bit gold leaf on top. Alright, it's done! Namasu is an essential dish of New Year's osechiryouri. Even if you think osechiryouri is a bit difficult, this is very easy to make. By using SHIO KOJI, the flavor becomes mild and tastier, so give it a go!
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. Thanks to your support, I now have over 1,000 subscribers. I will continue to bring you simple and yummy dishes little by little. I hope you will continue to watch my videos. ほんまにありがとうございます。ほなまたね。